I'm Howard's Peugeot. I'm going to show you a little bit more of this Expert Crew van. It's the Professional Plus standard spec with the 2 litre 180 horsepower E86 automatic. It does have a few extra features on the car as well, which include the up and over tailgate with the opening glazed rear window. It's got the single seat passenger side rather than the bench seat, gives you better visibility behind. Grip controls also a function on here. Navigation, we've also added the additional running bars to the side which you'll see from the external video. Such a great family car and day vehicle, and if you think it should fit your lifestyle, simply come and have a look yourself and see how it will work for you. Give us a call at 01305 266 066. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.